welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this package from Madworks. Thank you Madworks for shipping me this all the way from Taiwan. And later on in the video, I'll be showing you guys what I got from Japan Gundam Factory. And now let's look at what's inside the box. Wow, I got 5 pieces of model cutter mat in A3 size. I definitely have to do a giveaway soon. Wow, 2.35 airbrushes. And these are the sanding sponge set. I think it comes with all the sanding sponges inside. And these are the sanding sponges in different grids. And the sanding papers. The sanding papers are the adhesive type in 2 x 9 cm that can be used with the grinding plates. And this is a sanding sponge box container. This can also be a model parts container. The sponges also comes in different thickness. And a multi-function model handles. You're supposed to use it with the line engravers. And it comes in different sizes. The fine pin vise, and 2 spool nippers. These MH10 spool nippers are a lot bigger and heavier than normal nippers, and is perfect for heavy-duty cutting. And these are the metal airbrush templates for you to paint irregular patterns. And this clear adhesive glue I think is for the etching parts. And the super dense black adhesive glue. And a few more B5 size cutting mats. And 3 Madworks t-shirts. I hope they are the right size. Let's put this stuff away before I showed you things I got from Japan. So I went to Japan the beginning of this year when I thought the 1/1 scale Gundam was taking down in March. This is a free souvenir when you purchase ticket. A super basic 1/200 kit. The Gundam Factory Yokohama official book. The 2 cute Zaku keychain. They ran out of the RX-78 keychain when I got there, but lucky to find one here in Canada. And these are, I guess they are cookies. And this is just a toy figure. And there's a Gundam inside. And this is the metal build. I've never opened it yet. Let me show you guys what's in the box. It really isn't a good idea to buy metal build in Japan because the kit is so heavy to be carried around. That's it for today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. You're also welcome to leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. See you in the next one.